I don't know that it proves a darn thing. I mean, they make it sound like that this blue light is coming from a dungeon where he had her, balled and chained there and tethered to a wall. I would have followed up with questions. Well, did you hear any screaming, any banging, any cries for help, anything like that? Just because you see a blue light, that proves zip.
Well, I want to just pause on Durst for a second, because we are hearing that the jury in the Rivera case out in Iowa and the murder of Molly Tibbetts, that the jury has reached a verdict after 7 hours and 15 minutes of deliberations. There's no action in the courtroom right now, but we will bring you live to the courtroom as soon as we see movement. We could just be minutes away from the reading of the verdict in the Rivera case. Philip, your thoughts? 7 hours, 15 minutes to deliberate in the Iowa case. Your thoughts?
Well, there's no way to know, quite frankly. I've heard that quick verdicts can go for the prosecution, quick verdicts can go for the defense. All I can say is the fact that they've reached a verdict means that this jury is decisive.
I mean, 7 hours, 15 minutes. Is that, in the scheme of things, is that a short period of time for a case like this?
Given the duration of this trial, it's a very, very healthy deliberation period. And I give this jury kudos, win or lose, for the defense for going through the evidence so methodically and taking their time.
If the jury does find Christian Rivera guilty, as a public defender, what do you believe the strategy will be going forward for this defendant?
Well, had he not taken the stand, I would have hoped for action on appeal based on the voluntariness outside of Miranda of the so-called confession that he gave to the police. But now that he has testified, I don't know if that has completely disemboweled that opportunity, and a higher court would find harmless error.
Okay, well, we're going to take a quick break now, but we're just minutes away from the reading of the verdict in the Rivera case out in Iowa, in the tragic death of Molly Tibbetts. Stay with us.